Keep dancing. Costello and Firebug, Carolyn dancing on the Ohio River. There's our peeps over here. Are you gonna quit dancing or what? We're listening to Conway 20. This is part of the Redneck Yacht Club. Woo! Yeah. Wait a minute, I can hear you. I got Conway up too high. What? That's right. And Friday and Sunday and Monday and that's right. I heard that. Y'all quit dancing now. What? Here you go. Here you go. Listen. There's songs and poems and promises and Carolyn, twirl. But I won't cross that starry sky. Twirl, what's going on YouTube? Come right out and tell you all dance funny. Lay you down. Lay you down. Lay you down and softly whisper. Woo! Lay you down and tell you all the things so wrong. That is Costello, Travis, and Carolyn, the Firebug. And they're getting down on the Ohio River. There's so many ways your sweet love made this house into a home. You've got a way of